Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenEVSE to Home Assistant detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect OpenEVSE to Home Assistant, start by ensuring your OpenEVSE unit is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, log into your Home Assistant dashboard using a web browser. Navigate to the Configuration section in the sidebar. From there, click on Integrations. In the Integrations menu, click on the plus button in the bottom right corner. Search for OpenEVSE in the Integration search bar. Select the OpenEVSE integration from the list that appears. Now, you will need to enter the IP address of your OpenEVSE unit. To find this IP address, check your router's device list or use the OpenEVSE app. Once you have the IP address, enter it into the prompt in Home Assistant. Click Submit to proceed. Home Assistant will attempt to connect to your OpenEVSE unit. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can now customize the entity settings, such as naming your OpenEVSE. Once customized, click Finish to complete the integration. You should now see your OpenEVSE listed in the Integrations dashboard. To verify the connection, check the entities created for OpenEVSE in the Entities section. Test the integration by looking for charging data reported by OpenEVSE. You can create automation or add cards to your dashboard to monitor and control OpenEVSE. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated OpenEVSE with Home Assistant. Now, you can manage your electric vehicle charging conveniently within your smart home setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.